Alright, this is something new. We've got a drone, new purchase, camera, not a new purchase, a new lens, that is a new purchase, and an S2000. Let's go for a drive.
You crashed!
First official crash, but footage was silky.
Straight in the bush. Go on, hop in, let's go get it.
Let's go find it.
Let's go get it. That looks so good.
And then
into the bush.
Yeah.
Sweet.
It's good though.
Not this one, these ones.
Somewhere around here.
I think it was here.
Yeah.
Right,
This is gonna be fun.
Let's dump the car and let's go exploring.
Yeah.
Into the grass we go.
We have to close.
Ah, I'm not going in there. Snakes. Pokemon will jump out.
Where's the nearest fence? Kind of a gap here.
Well, we got it back. I don't want to curse it, but I think there's not much damage. Ah, I stood in like 1,000 nettles though.
There's a fence. There's a fence. And you made me climb through the bloody bushes.
There you go.
She looks good.
What's the damage?
Just see if she's alive.
Yeah, see if she still flies. That was horrible. Never crash in there again.
Never crash anywhere.
I'd rather you crash into a minefield.
Oh. Yeah, that doesn't sound fun. Motor unable to rotate. Nah. Don't know what you're on about. It's all good.
Have you tried turning it off and on?
She's alive!
Ah, she's flawless. There you go. Whoa, okay, maybe not.
Crashed the drone, found it. Still flies. Totally fine. There we go. It's up there. So yeah, we're gonna play around, get some more shots.
Trying to crash.
Try not to crash. Yeah. Let's see how it goes. Right, so this is pretty much what we're doing. Matt stood all the way down there. There is a drone. I don't know if you can see it. Where is she? There. Just over there. And we're just driving back and forth. There it goes.
There we go, having fun.
It's pretty good.
Nice
We didn't crash.
Nah, well, yeah, didn't crash.
Oh, I forgot to press record. Yeah, I'm joking.
Sure you are. Next location?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Good.
his neck. He loves a bit of VTech. Okay, made it to a forest. Matt didn't crash the drone anymore because we haven't flown it yet. Yeah, I'm gonna do some very adventurous flying.
Bit of bramble juice on it right there. Bramble juice.
Is there actually bramble juice on it?
Yeah.
Show me.
Oh,
Yeah. That's not bramble juice. That's blood.
yeah, you're right. That's not bramble juice.
It's definitely not bramble juice. Sweet. So here we are, a nice little forest. And Matt said he's going to fly in between all of these trees, do a backflip, go underneath the car, and then through the cabin.
Naked.
I meant with the drone, but sure. So soon we will actually be lowering the Honda. Maybe this month. I need to stop buying things. We need to stop buying things. We bought far too much stuff recently. So I think this month alone, what did we buy? We bought the drone, we bought a new lens, loads of filters,
Chicken tikka sandwich.
chicken tikka sandwich, which is actually
It's quite pricey. Petrol station prices.
it is, but it's a good petrol station. They've got everything there. If you haven't actually been to South Cave BP petrol station,
Don't we advertising it?
no, but it's good business, isn't it?
You reckon?
Yeah, it's good.
Sponsored.
The best petrol station you'll ever go to. They've got washing machines, they've got sandwiches, they've got pies, they've got, what else they got? Petrol,
Not sponsored.
not sponsored, but use code DRIVERSDEN for 50% off your petrol. Can you imagine if that was a thing? Discount code for petrol. You know, YouTubers have discount codes for loot boxes and shit.
Yeah.
That'd be wicked. That'd be wicked.
Yeah, BP if you're watching.
Yeah, BP. We have a massive audience.
Like 3.
3 whole people watch our content regularly, so hit us up.
We're doing a.
Oh, a car takeoff. Yeah, go have a look at the roads. Right, let's have a look. Ah yes, I can see nothing. What happened, Matt?
Crash number 2!
That's not bad.
Oh, it's a bit Natalie.
Oh, not again, it's always Natalie.
Did you see it? Did you see it out?
Yeah, it was somewhere around here. I think it's further back this way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, go on, Matt. Fish it out. Yeah, that did it. There we go. Successfully recovered.
She's alive again.
Any damage?
Don't know, but she's not going to last very long, is she?
She's got low battery.
No, I mean the amount of times we crashed it in one day.
I think you're making a mistake there. We.
Okay.
Hang on. How's she looking? Give her a little twirl. Ah, she looks beautiful. She's working fine.
We come down there like that. And then what we can do, we can just down and rotate. If you go steady, could look quite nice.
It's miles away in the sky.
There we go. Maybe a bit fast, but.
Right, so that was probably something a bit different. I know we haven't done many videos on the channel, but we're trying, aren't we, Matt? Trying.
The key word there.
Yeah. So there's probably going to be more content coming soon. This one was a bit of a different style, so please let us know if you enjoyed it. It was basically just us two messing around with the drone and the Honda. Yeah, it was a fun day out, but I've got to go home now, so we're cutting it kind of short. But there's always next weekend, or the weekend after, or the weekend after that. So let us know what you thought. Think? Let us know what you think of it. Thunk. Let us know what you thunked of that. And yeah, we'll see you soon. Take care. Yeah, that's my favourite shot, when you start to pull out.
Yeah.
That sounds wrong.
And then
that sounds wrong, and it's in a video as well. Hey Matt.
What?
Matt. Look. Do you see this? Come look at this.
What are we looking at?
Look at this. This.
There's nothing there.
There is. It's there.
There's nothing there.
There's something there.
There's